What's up, everybody? So you're thinking about moving to the Oregon coast, or you want to purchase a property here in Rockaway Beach. Well, we are here in Rockaway Beach, and we are going to take all around town, let you see the beach, let you see the schools, let you see everything there is to see here in Rockaway Beach. And if you stick around until the end, we're going to share one gem about Rockaway Beach you're definitely going to want to see. And we're going to get after it right now. Yeah. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel, you want to know everything there is to know about eating, sleeping, working, playing, everything on the Oregon coast, then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market. My name is Eddie, and I get calls, texts, emails every single day from people just like you looking to get property on the Oregon coast. So whether you're moving in 9 days, 9 weeks, 9 months, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move to the Oregon coast as soon as possible. Well, we're gonna go and get after it right now. 1036 South Dolphin. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath, roughly 1,800 square foot house. This is about 2 miles south of town. This is in a neighborhood south of town where you're gonna get mixed use. You got some manufacturers, you got some stick builts, but you've got great options. This is one of the best towns when it comes to vacation rentals. You buy this, it's only been on the market for 2 days, and this is roughly $450,000 right now in Rockaway Beach. So you can see that a house that's a little bit dated, but is in great location to the availability for vacation rentals. This is gonna be one of those that you definitely wanna look at, but that's kind of what you're looking at. 2-bed, 2-bath, 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,800 square foot. It's gonna be close to that $500,000 mark here in Rockaway Beach. But man, once you get one in Rockaway Beach, you got a great vacation rental and a great place to come retreat to on the coast. Right behind me, 8255 South Victoria. This is in the Twin Rocks area of Rockaway Beach. This one is roughly $550. It's been on the market for quite a while. It was originally built by the owner. So it's one owner home right here in the Twin Rocks neighborhood. This is a place on the south side of Rockaway Beach that a lot of people want to get to. Now, this is a house that could be a great primary use, could be a short-term rental, could be an investment property, could be a retirement home, a lot of things here in the Twin Rocks neighborhood of Rockaway Beach. And you are, walking distance to the beach, and you're about a 2 mile, 1 mile, 2 mile drive up to Rockaway Beach. So this is just another good option we've seen in the Twin Rocks neighborhood of something in the 400s, now something in the 500s, what you can get. And there's a lot of uses here. So just think about that as you're looking here in Rockaway Beach. One good spot is the Spring Lake Park HOA here. You got these townhomes right on Spring Lake here in Rockaway Beach. This is gonna be a great spot to come hang out. They have these, we have this cookout spot. We have this fireplace spot right on the lake. And I mean, this is a beautiful morning. Hear the birds, go fishing, maybe go out on the lake, go for a swim. This is a great spot here in Rockaway Beach. Spring Lake, gotta get it. Well, we are right south of the main city center in downtown. And right here we've got the main health center of Rockaway Beach, and then you got City Hall. These are two main spots in Rockaway Beach. Now, the main health center, it's not open right now, and it's not gonna be open really till I think 9 today, in the morning. So where do you gotta go? You probably gotta go down to Tillamook. How far is that? It's probably about 20 to 30 minute drive south. You gotta go through Garibaldi, and you gotta go all the way down to Tillamook. So that's one thing to consider, is if you're coming to the coast and you need good health care, Rockaway Beach doesn't have a great spot here. You might have to go to Tillamook, you might have to go north to Seaside. So those are some options and some things to think about when you're talking about the Oregon coast and Rockaway Beach. One other option in Rockaway Beach, right here on the 101, on the east side of 101, this townhome right here, 3-bed, 3-bath, 1,800 square feet, 3 levels. It's gonna have a beautiful ocean view right here. I mean, it is steps from the beach. It's got no HOA, no CC&Rs, and you're gonna have a great option for vacation rental. This is the type of a situation that you want. The price point comes in at $575,000, but that's kind of what you're looking for if you're gonna get a vacation rental right on the beach. It's gonna be in that price point. So here in Rockaway Beach, great option, condo, 3-bed, 3-bath, 1,800 square feet. Well, here we are in the main city center of Rockaway Beach. We got Pirate Park behind me. We got the beach. We got restaurants. We got the Chamber of Commerce. We got the railroad location right here. Everything right in the middle of Rockaway Beach. Everything you could ask for right here in the center of Rockaway Beach. This is the gem of Rockaway Beach, which is what? It's in the name. It's the beach. Right here, you get 7 to 9 miles of straight beach, all the way from Twin Rocks up north. This is the place that you definitely want to come, check out, go on walks, go on runs, go build sandcastles. It's all here on the beach. Right now, we've got a below zero tide, and it's a perfect time to go clam digging. I saw some clam diggers out here. This is what you can do on the coast. It's kind of hazy on the ocean. Twin Rocks right over here, but tons of options. One of my favorite places to come eat in Rockaway Beach is right here, Bar View Jetty Taqueria. And this place has got great Mexican food. It is right here, downtown Rockaway Beach. This place is pretty cheap, and you're gonna get some of the best Mexican food that you can find here in Rockaway Beach. Now here we are at 409 Nehalem Avenue, just east of the main city center here in Rockaway Beach. We've got a 2-bed, 2-bath, about 900 square foot house that's going for about $415,000. Just had a price reduction. Here's the deal. Has an 18 by 20 roof deck on top of the garage, fully remodeled. It's a block away from the schools, which we're gonna go to, the elementary schools. And this is walking distance to the beach. This could be vacation rental. This could be your primary residence. This could be a second home. This could be a retirement home. These are a lot of great options here in Rockaway Beach. I just want to show you Rockaway Beach. I mean, this is a beautiful day. It must be 65 degrees here at 9, 10 a.m. And look there's no traffic. Walkability everywhere. Close to the beach. You just can't beat it. So I wanted to just give you all the different types of options you might have. But if you're looking for a house in Rockaway Beach, or maybe a condo or a townhome, it's gonna be somewhere in the vicinity of the 350 all the way up. I mean, we're gonna see some that are, in the $600,000, $700,000, $800,000 range. But if you want affordability and cuteness and a view and walkability to restaurants, shops, and the beach, this is a great option. And there's tons of great options like this in Rockaway Beach here in the spring summer of 2024. Oregon coast, this is the best. These are the best days. So we're gonna move on to the next one. Now we're on the west side of 101 on Pacific Street. Right here, 300 Pacific Street. There's 2 condos in here, and these are going for roughly $500,000 to $600,000. They're 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,000 to 1,100 square feet, and we are 100 feet from the beach. So if I just turn around right here, this is the beach. So you want to be striking distance where you can throw a football from your deck, maybe onto the beach if you've got a good arm. This is the place, okay? Low worry when it comes to all the details of making sure your house has got good landscaping and all that. It's all dealt with right here. 300 North Pacific Street, 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,000 square feet, between 500,000 and 600,000. Great option if you don't want the upkeep of a house in your own property. You just want a condo here in Rockaway Beach. Maybe you want to be right on the beach. 560 North Pacific. This is a 5-bed, 3-bath, 2,500 square foot place. It's going for the area of 8 to 900,000, but you are right across the street from the beach right here. So you want to be right across the street. You want a vacation rental. You want maybe a bigger house, something a little bit more substantial. And I'm talking right on the beach. I'm stepping down onto the beach right now. This is some of the most beautiful, picturesque views. You've got Neah Mountain, right there to the north. You've got, and it's hard to see, but right here, Twin Rocks to the south, and you are a block from that. Not even a block, I'm talking 200 feet. And that's where we're at here in Rockaway Beach. And here on the north end of Rockaway Beach is Neah High School, Neah Junior High School. These are 2A level high schools in Newport. They've got all of your education and extracurricular activities. Right now, there's kids out on the field, working on the track field, see some people throwing some footballs around. So this is an awesome spot. If you're a family and you need to find a good school, Neah County School District, junior, senior high, some of the elementary schools in town are gonna be great options for you as well here in Rockaway Beach. And if you're looking to make a move to the coast and you need boots on the ground, you need help looking for a place here in Rockaway Beach or anywhere on the 363 miles of beautiful coastline of Oregon, then make sure you give me a call, send me a text, shoot me an email so we can connect and I can help you make your dreams come true, your goals come true here on the Oregon coast. Again, my name is Eddie. Subscribe, like, and I'm here for you. Well, until next time, hope you're having a great day, and let's just make this the best day ever.